Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Graco TurboBooster. This is a booster seat for in your car and it is convertible, so if you don't want to have the back on it as they get older, this back is removable. So it's really convenient and versatile. It does have these little armrests right here to keep them comfortable, and then it also has two little cup holders that slide out on each side, which is super convenient. My kids always have multiple drinks in my car, so for them to have their own cup holders, I love that. So as a booster, this is just used with the seatbelt, obviously. These little red loops right here are actually to guide the seatbelt through, so it goes across their chest correctly, so they are safe. This headrest is adjustable, so as they get taller, if you still want to have the back on it, you can adjust it up and it moves really easily. So that is super nice. Also, it is padded really well, so it's going to be super comfortable for them. Long road trips, short road trips. You can take the covers off, even the little armrest covers and the backing, and you can wash it. So my kids destroy their car seats and I have to wash them all the time. This one's so easy to take apart and just take the covers off and throw them in the washing machine and then put them right back on. This brand is super safe. It's been crash tested. I really think this is one of the best. My kids love it. They love how comfortable it is. So if you are in the market for maybe a car seat you're wanting to upgrade your child from, I think that this would be absolutely perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.